This is going to be a video tutorial on how to group or ungroup objects in Microsoft PowerPoint. I will be using Office 365 on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to PowerPoint here. Okay, I have PowerPoint opened up now, and I have a little example presentation here. Say that I wanted to group all of this text here with these arrows and this image here and these arrows and the text down here. Say I wanted to group all that together. The way I would do that, I'm going to select one of these text boxes here. I'm going to hold down the Control key, and I'm going to go through and select everything else while holding down the Control key. As you can see, everything is getting a bounding box around it. That means all this stuff is selected. Now I'm going to place my mouse cursor over one of the selected objects. I'm going to right click. Then I'm going to go up to where it says Group. And then I'm going to go straight across and I'm going to click on Group. Now as you can see, as each separate object having a text box around it, everything has a text box around it. If I click off of it, click back on it, I can move it all. Move it all around. I could hold down the Shift key and I could downsize it while keeping its shape. To ungroup them, you want to select one of the objects to where I have the bounding box around everything. I'm going to right click. I'm going to go back to Group and straight over and down to Ungroup. I'm going to click on Ungroup. Now everything has went back to being a separate object. Thanks for watching.